Alright guys, so this is technically day 6. I guess those guys are eating down there. A lot of silk in this cup. You can see that one is using his hands there to help him pick up food and shovel it in his mouth. Let's see what's going on in this cup. This cup is a sleepy cup. These guys are not doing much in there. These guys are having a party. Oh my gosh, and they're so much bigger. Wow. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's gonna be long before these guys start making a chrysalis. See here very clearly the parts of their body. You can see the 3 segments in the top that make up its thorax, and then the 10 segments in the bottom here that make up his abdomen. So they're definitely bigger, definitely growing. Let's see how long till they start forming their chrysalis.